Okay, listen, I'm gonna say something that might sound a little bit dramatic, but if you're trying to build wealth right now, you might only have about 5 years left to do it. And no, this isn't some doomsday AI is taking over type of video. This is about something that's actually probably a lot more real. Because right now there's a shift that's happening that's really quietly deciding who's getting rich and who's getting stuck forever. And real quick, before we do keep going, if you're trying to actually figure this out and not just watch it for, entertainment, then make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to give you stuff that you can actually use and not just hype. Now, here's where it gets real. We're already starting to see this split happen. You've already felt it, even if you can't fully explain it yet. There's people that are doing really, really well right now, and then there's everyone else that's just trying to stay afloat. That in itself is what's actually called a K-shaped economy. One side is going up super fast, and the other is pretty flat or simply going down. And the difference between those two groups is simple. It's ownership. The people going up own things. The people stuck rely on income. And AI is making that gap way bigger because now one person with the right tools can do the work of an entire team. So companies don't need as many employees. There's a lot more competition for the same opportunities. And the path that used to work, school, jobs, promotions, is getting a lot less reliable. It's not impossible, but it's definitely a lot harder. And look, if we're being real, you're probably already feeling this. You're working, you're making money, probably more than you've ever made, but it doesn't feel like you're actually getting ahead. Your bills are paid, but nothing is building, nothing's compounding. Every month literally feels the same. Money comes in and then money goes out. Something always pops up, whether it be car or shoes, some random expenses, subscriptions for Netflix or whatever. And you look at your bank account like, how am I working this much, making so much money and still not moving forward? And that's really the frustrating part because trust me, I've felt it before because it really feels like a personal problem, but it's a systematical shift. So now we get the real question. If working harder isn't enough anymore, what actually works? And it comes down to one thing, and that's, again, ownership. Because AI doesn't just replace jobs, it amplifies what you already have. If you own something, AI helps you grow faster. If you don't, AI replaces you. And unfortunately, that's the reality. Think about it like this. Two people, right? Same amount of effort. One is working a job. The other owns a system. Who wins when AI gets better? The one with the system every single time. And this is why right now is actually a huge opportunity because we're in this weird window where AI is extremely powerful and it's still coming up, but not everyone knows how to properly use it yet. So the barrier to entry is still pretty low. You don't need a team. You don't need a ton of money. You don't need connections. You just literally need to take action and you need to learn these systems. We're basically entering the era of solo entrepreneur, where one person can build something that used to take an entire company years. And this is where most people are missing it. They're watching content, they're learning, they're saving the videos. You probably bookmark this video right now and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to come back to it, right? But not actually doing anything. Meanwhile, other people are actually testing products, they're launching stores, they're building brands, they're posting content, they're failing fast, but they're adjusting. And that's the difference. It's not that they're smarter, they just actually got started and they're using these tools before everybody else. Let me give you a simple example. Someone sees a trending product on TikTok, right? Most people just scroll past it and they say, I don't want to buy it. But someone else thinks, I could sell that myself. They use AI to create product descriptions. They build a store in less than a day, maybe even less than the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. And they test it and maybe it flops or maybe it hits. But now they have something. Now they have ownership. That's how people are winning right now. Not by overthinking, but by moving. And this is exactly where something like AutoDS fits in perfectly. Because instead of trying to figure out everything from scratch, you can shortcut a lot of the process. You can find products. You can build your store. You can automate all of your orders and scale based on real data. But again, the important part isn't just the tool. It's what you're building with it. You're building something that you actually own and something that actually matters right now. Because in this new economy, the people who win are not the ones that are essentially or necessarily working the hardest. They're the ones that are building the systems. Now let's talk about what you should actually do, because this matters only if you take action. So first, you need to learn how to use AI properly. Not just playing around with it, actually using it to move faster, to create, to test ideas, and to get leverage. We actually have a video that focuses in on this. If you want to check it out, it's this one right here. Second, you need to start something. I don't care what it is. A store, a brand, a content page. You need something that exists outside of just your time. Because if all you have is your time, then that's limited. Third, you need to diversify your income, because relying on one paycheck is extremely risky right now. Even if your job feels secure, because think about it, right? Coders' jobs up until like a few months ago or a year ago, they were secure. Not anymore. Nothing is. Except for, you guessed it, what you own. Things are changing fast. All right, fourth, and this is very underrated, but look, you need to focus, because right now attention is absolutely cooked. Everyone's distracted. If you can sit down and actually work for a few hours without looking at your phone, I get it. I know, trust me, it's hard. But if you can do that, then you're already ahead of most people. Probably even a little bit more ahead of me, because I look at my phone way more than I should. Control your doom scrolling, okay? Trust me. But besides that, the last thing is that you simply just need to move now. Not next month, not when things feel perfect, because that's what really gets people stagnant. Now.
Just do it!
Because this whole you have 5 years left thing, it's not a countdown to failure, but it is a window where things are still early, where you can still build something before everything gets a lot more competitive. Because trust me, it has been, and it will get even more. AI is only going to get better. It feels like it was literally just last year, which it might have been just last year, where Will Smith was eating spaghetti and turning into spaghetti, and everyone's like, oh, haha, AI video. And now these AI avatars in these AI videos are having conversations with people, completely like tricking people. People think that they're real. And again, this is literally just a year's worth of progress. Not just that though, but more people are going to catch on. And the advantage that you have right now is not going to last forever. This is that opportunity window that everyone essentially misses out on. This is the very early phase of print on demand. This is the very early phase of dropshipping. Right when people are really starting to discover it and there's no competition. Right now is it. And trust me, it's not going to last forever. So the real question is simple. Are you gonna use this time? Or are you gonna look back in a few years wishing that you had actually started something? Now, if you are serious about building something, check out AutoDS down in the description below. And if you wanna learn how you can really get started with AutoDS and actually build something that you own and be able to easily scale it within just a couple of months, then check out this video right here.